Hello and welcome to another explainer video by Fintelligence. In this video, I'm going to be talking about meme stocks. Meme stocks have been in the news a lot recently. Perhaps you have heard of shares of companies such as AMC and GameStop going through some incredible roller coaster rides, seemingly without anything going on with the company's fundamentals. And fortunes being made on loss as a result, by individuals as well as hedge funds. So, what are meme stocks? It's hard to define them exactly. But one thing that these stocks have in common is that they are hyped up in social media. There are certain social media channels aimed at amateur investors, of which the most famous is Wall Street Bets on Reddit. In a way, the term meme stocks is almost insulting, as a lot of posts with trading ideas are quite detailed, unlike this example of a meme. Those detailed posts are called DD, short for due diligence. Most, but certainly not all meme stocks are small and mid-cap. The smaller market cap of these companies make their shares more prone to wild price swings as a result of bulk buying by day traders. Many of them are fallen angels, such as AMC, which owns a chain of cinemas and went through some quite challenging times during the more acute phases of the pandemic. The other interesting thing about meme stocks is that once a company's shares become one, the fundamentals of the company, such as their revenue and earnings growth, PE ratios, and so on, stop being relevant to the trajectory of the share price. From that point on, volatility tends to go way up, and that's probably one of the surest signs that there's a lot of retail trading activity. So, why are so many investors following the hype? There are various factors, and like many things these days, one of the most important is COVID. Lots of people were furloughed, put on unpaid leave, or were forced to work from home. This meant that many people, other than parents of school-age children of course, had more time on their hands. Many of them took up hobbies like painting, gardening, or knitting. A considerable amount of people, it seems, took up day trading. By some estimates, there were 1.8 million day traders in the UK alone during the pandemic. Another factor is FOMO, which of course is short for fear of missing out. So you may have heard of a friend of yours that has made $20,000 in a single day, and they would know another friend of a friend who has made $100,000 and quit their regular job and so on. And you're thinking, why am I missing out on this? Maybe I should do this as well. Also fueling this trend is the new generation of retail stockbrokers with very low or even zero commissions, such as Free Trade and Robinhood. It is now possible to start day trading with relatively small sums or play money that people wouldn't mind losing. There are even promotions of these day trading firms by some minor C-list celebrities on social media. So, are meme stocks good investments? Does the fact that a company has become a meme stock have a share price impact? A lot of times, no, but sometimes very significant price movements can be observed. I have picked 3 of the most infamous companies that have become meme stocks: AMC, BlackBerry, and GameStop. And you can see what has been happening to the prices and the volatility once they have been hyped up on social media. So are meme stocks here to stay? That's the question on everybody's mind. There are some signs, such as lower trading volumes and fewer Google searches, as more and more people are emerging from their enforced hibernation at home and returning to the office, that this is dying out. And let's remember, this is a trend, or according to many people, a passing fad. Also, Wall Street Bets has become a victim of its own success, and it is now littered with so many irrelevant posts that it's next to impossible to filter interesting trading ideas. However, there's still a lot of uncertainty over the pandemic, and over how and where we will work in the future. Will there be quite as many people day trading in a year's time? Only time will tell. Thank you for watching another explainer video by Fintelligence. If you enjoyed watching, please hit the like button and follow us on LinkedIn.